Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Twin Turbine, and I'm Shashidhar Shetty here. And in today's video I'm going to inform you that Maruti Suzuki had recalled eco vehicles in India, and this is for the reason of possible issue with the headlamps. So what might be the reason with these headlamps, and is there any performance related problems regarding this headlamp issue, or is there any kind of regulatory changes which has been taken from Maruti Suzuki, and what is the exact issue in these vehicles? If you're new here, consider subscribing and press the bell icon. You'll get the notifications whenever I upload some new videos about automotive tips and tricks, news and latest technology videos. Without wasting much time, let's begin. And Maruti had recalled around 40,453 units of eco vehicles for the missing standard symbol in the headlamps. Eco vehicles which were manufactured between November 4, 2019 to February 25, 2020. The vehicles whichever manufactured between these periods will be recalled and will be checked for the rectification of the issue regarding the missing standard symbol in the headlamps. Owners of these affected vehicles will be contacted by Maruti Suzuki authorized service centers, and once you get the letter or any kind of mails from the service centers, you need to visit to the workshop and get the things rectified by Maruti Suzuki workshop, and there will be no charges on this particular recall campaign. And if you want to know whether your vehicle is falling under the cutoff VIN or the VIN affected VIN list, so you need to do one thing, that is you need to visit to the Maruti Suzuki website and click on the important customer information section. In that section you need to enter your vehicle identification number, that is VIN number of your vehicle, and you'll find the VIN number of your vehicle in the VIN plate or the insurance copy or in the registration copy of your vehicle. So once you enter the VIN number, you are going to know that whether your vehicle is falling under this affected list or not. Finally, I want to add something to this recall from Maruti Suzuki, and according to this recall, there is no safety or performance related problems are there in the headlamps of these vehicles, and there is only the missing symbol, the standard symbol is going to be fixed from Maruti Suzuki service centers, and there will be no issues regarding the headlamps or the performance related problems are with the headlamps of the eco vehicles. If you found this video helpful for you, and then just please hit that big like button, that will motivate me to put more videos. Thank you for watching this video.